Hello everyone. Exercise in nature. That's best therapy. Nature is best therapy. There's nothing more refreshing than exercising amidst nature. The fresh air, the soothing sounds of birds, and the gentle rustling of leaves that create a perfect harmony for the body and mind. Whether it's a morning walk, yoga in park, or you run along a scenic trail, nature enhances every moment, making exercise not just a routine, but a blissful experience. Breathe deeply, move freely, and embrace the healing power of outdoors. Stay active, stay healthy, and let nature be your gym. I love being outside in nature, where the fresh air, open skies, and the melody of birds that bring a sense of peace and joy. Every moment spent among the trees, flowers, and flowing waters that fills my heart with gratitude and serenity. Stepping outside is not just a choice, it is a blessing. In nature's embrace, I feel free, I feel connected, and truly alive. Sometimes I feel my heart belongs to the trees, the skies, and the whispering winds. Forever my best friend. And you know what? The climbing trees, that makes me back to the carefree, days of my childhood, where laughter echoed through the branches and the world felt limitless. Each rustling leaf and the sturdy branch that reminds me that nature has always been my greatest companion, that offering adventure, solace, and endless joy. Did you try sitting on the height of the trees? Sitting high up in a tree that feels incredible, like being cradled by the nature itself. And the view from the above, that brings a sense of calm and freedom. It is a place to reflect your dream, simply be. Up in the heights, away from the world's rush, I feel closer to the sky and at peace with nature. I feed birds. So feeding birds, that providing them comfort and keeping their feeder clean is my duty towards nature. These little souls bring joy to the world with their songs and their presence. And it is our responsibility to take care for them. A simple act of kindness towards birds, towards nature, that nurtures the harmony of nature and fills the heart with peace. I feel when I touch the branches and leaves, when I touch earth, when I touch branches, when I touch flowers, there's a feeling, I feel their silent emotions. I sing for them. And in return, what I get? They whisper their melodies in the wind. Every rustling leaf shares a story, and every swing branch dances with joy. Nature listens, yes. Nature understands and embraces me with its gentle presence. I love to watch the trees stand tall, rooted in wisdom and strength, The leaves flutter like they are laughing, they're rejoicing in the rhythm of life. Each touch connects me deeper and deeper and deeper, as if nature and I share a secret language. The trees breathe, the flowers they bloom, and the wind carries love. In nature's presence, I find peace in my heart. I find love and a world